Howdy, I'm Nick. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making some delicious low-carb tacos. Okay, so to get started making tacos, the first thing we have to do is make our seasoning. Now, you could go and buy packet seasoning. Most of it does have sugar in it, albeit not too much. But what's the fun of that? It's not very flavorful. It doesn't, you're not making it yourself. So we got a great recipe here. So we're going to start with a tablespoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of paprika, teaspoon and a half of cumin. We got a half teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of oregano. This is dried oregano, but from my garden. And a quarter teaspoon of ground black pepper, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of monk fruit sweetener. There's some recipes out there that don't have any sweeteners at all. It makes it kind of bland. Then all you have to do is take this and you mix it up. Okay, now it's time to cook this thing. So we're going to go on a medium-high heat and we're going to brown 1 pound of ground beef, and we're going to immediately start mixing this in with half up to all of the seasoning. I like a lot of flavor. I'm using it all. Okay, once our beef is all browned, uniform, and looking yummy, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and half a cup of beef broth. We're going to mix this in well and reduce. And that's pretty good right there. Most of the water's out. We do still have oil. That's going to happen. We didn't drain this, but it's going to be nice, flavorful oil. Alright, once you get to this point, now you get to be a little more creative. You get to make your, well, taco, salad, wrap, whatever you want. Being low carb, you of course have to watch out. There are great low carb tortilla options out there, or lower carb stuff, to watch how many. Although I do salads all the time. A really nice taco salad works well. And of course you gotta just dress it how you want to impress it. So I'm gonna throw some meat, throw some nice shredded, a lot of shredded cheese on there. These squeezable sour creams are one of the coolest things ever. And a heavy dose of my favorite hot sauce. A quick wrap and there you are. One of the best tacos that I've ever had, especially at home. And thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Check out the other videos I have. You'll see a couple recommended here. And if you have anything you'd like to see, just please let me know. Happy to try out new recipes that I haven't before, or, you know, see if I can make something up. Thank you again for watching. Have a great day.